I'm Tim with Amprobe, and today I want to show you the key safety and productivity features that make the new Amprobe AM500 series digital multimeters stand out from others in its class. The AM570 has unique built-in safety features which quickly verify the presence of voltage and even stray voltages with low impedance mode and non-contact voltage detection. Unlike other meters in its class, the AM570 has a low-pass filter that allows you to read voltage and frequency on variable frequency drives. The AM570 also speeds up HVAC measurements by eliminating the need for manual calculations with dual K-type thermocouples that take differential temperature measurements. The large backlit dual display allows you to collect and record the most critical measurements, and the analog bar graph detects any noise on the line. With a bright work light, this multimeter easily illuminates your workspace. Also, with the rubber tilt stand, you're able to set it on a firm surface so you can change measurement parameters effortlessly. With 6 models built specifically for your application, it's easy to see why you should add the Amprobe AM500 series digital multimeters to your tool collection. The best tools for the money, period.
From the leaders in electrical test tools comes the Fluke 117 digital multimeter. With great features for each product in the family, Fluke has a digital multimeter that will fit your needs. Fluke's digital multimeters are the preferred choice across the globe due to their rugged, reliable, and safe design. Most demanding circumstances. The Fluke 117 digital multimeter is easy to use, it's Fluke rugged and Fluke reliable, and is excellent for general electrical and electronic testing. The Fluke 117 features low Z function, which prevents false readings due to ghost voltage, Volt Alert technology for non-contact voltage detection, AutoVolt automatic AC and DC voltage selection, a large white LED backlight to work in poorly lit areas. The Fluke 117 digital multimeter is a true RMS meter designed for maximum productivity, also offering resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance measurements. It also has a 3-year warranty.
The Fluke 875 is the industry standard in industrial multimeters, matched by no other. The Fluke 875 industrial multimeter allows you to gain productivity by taking the guesswork out of drive system troubleshooting, even in loud, high energy, and high altitude locations. The Fluke 875 features accurate frequency measurements on adjustable speed drives via a Fluke designed low-pass filter, a built-in thermometer to allow temperature measurements, Category 3 1000 volt and Category 4 600 volt safety rating.